think I was born into teaching really because my mum was a teacher. It was just one of my dreams really to teach children and then to become a head teacher. I went to university at Aberystwyth and then I had a degree in geography and Welsh. But I always knew that I wanted to be a teacher, so following this I did a diploma in high school teaching, and the job advert came for this particular school, Dyffryn Banw, and I went for it and got the job, and I was here for 3 years, and then the opportunity came to go to a larger school as a year 3 and 4 teacher at the time, and developed into a deputy head. And then following on from that, a job came here as a head teacher, and I've been here now for 4 years, nearly 5. Hawliau pwy dyn ni wedi bod yn edrych arnyn nhw'n benodol, Edward? I became a head teacher at such a young age by the time I was 27 by taking up all opportunities, all TLRs, all deputy head positions. You just need to start from the bottom and work yourself up. Dyffryn Banw is a community school, 26 pupils. There's 5 pupils in the foundation phase and 21 pupils in Key Stage 2. And most of the children come from a background with no Welsh at all, and they leave the school fluent. It's quite a busy role, I'm not going to go into a lie about that, but I think the most important thing is to remember that you enjoy it and that you've got the team around you. For example, I've got such a good team here of classroom assistants, HLTAs. There are challenges, especially with only 5 pupils in the foundation phase. However, you've also got your advantages. Nobody competes against each other within the school. During playtimes, everybody take part in whatever they're doing. Is it on the bikes, or is it a team event game? Or we're all one family here. The children and the staff are all one big team, and I think that's what makes us so successful. With the new curriculum, there is a big emphasis on the creative aspect, and here at Ysgol Dyffryn Banw we do take part in the Eisteddfod, in the book quiz, in different cultural activities, and that through the medium of Welsh, and the children get to understand their heritage and their background as well, which is great. There's plenty of support out there. For example, you can go on different courses through the medium of Welsh to develop your expertise as teachers. I wouldn't really consider not teaching through the medium of Welsh because it's something that I believe strongly in, that children should have the opportunity to develop their Welsh skills and to develop or to learn another language. The best thing about being a teacher is seeing these children develop, especially through the medium of Welsh, and being able to leave the school independent learners and with all the skills that they need for the future. The best thing about being a head teacher is to be able to lead a school in the way that you would want to be taught yourself, and I wouldn't choose another job, to be honest.